Hey everyone! In this breakdown, we're comparing the AMD Ryzen 9-7950X with the Intel Core i9-13900K, just so you can figure out which one gives you the better performance for gaming or productivity. Let's talk architecture first. The Ryzen chip uses AMD's efficient 5nm Zen 4 design. Intel's chip uses that hybrid layout with performance cores and efficiency cores. Both are powerful, but Intel's setup gives it a boost in multitasking, while AMD focuses more on clean, efficient performance. For gaming, Intel usually has a small lead. The i9-13900K boosts higher and handles lighter workloads better. The Ryzen 9 is still amazing, but Intel tends to pull ahead by a few frames in a lot of titles. In productivity and rendering, the Ryzen 9-7950X often wins. It handles long tasks, heavy editing, 3D renders, stuff like that, with more consistency. Intel's still fast, but AMD usually brings stronger multi-core performance. Blackjack and heat matter too. The Intel chip draws more power and can run pretty hot under load. Ryzen's 5nm design is more efficient, so it stays cooler and uses less energy, especially over long sessions. The platform is another thing. The Ryzen chip sits on AMD's AM5 socket, which is built for future upgrades. Intel's LGA 1700 platform is near the end of its upgrade path, so if you want longer support, AMD's the safer pick. Price-wise, they're pretty close. Intel gives better gaming value, and AMD gives better multi-core value. It really depends on what you're prioritizing. Tightened. So yeah, bottom line, go with the Intel i9-13900K for the highest gaming frame rates. Pick the Ryzen 9-7950X if you're doing creative work, rendering, or anything multi-core heavy. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you figure out which one fits your build.